Honorable Speaker, last week on Thursday, the Honorable Prime Minister commissioned and officially opened the Fiji National Kidney Center in Nandera. Honorable Speaker, at the last parliamentary sitting, there were discussions about what was happening in the Nandera Dialysis Center. Certainly work was happening, as you may be aware, that I've said in the initial parliamentary sitting, that we've been able to actually have a senior biomedical technician accredited with freshness, the German provider of the machine that was actually installing it. So we have 10 machines that are in the center with 3 reverse osmosis machines. These are machines by which water is brought through from the piping system into this reverse osmosis machine. They're cleaned by ultraviolet light and also by many other filters to ensure that they are sterile and ready to be taken across to the machines, and therefore able to take away the toxins from the patients. Honorable Speaker, what is more important is the fact that there is growth in our nephrology services. And this has happened because of the fact that we have 2 consultant positions in nephrology in the Ministry of Health. When the former consultant left, it was advertised, and through a competitive recruitment process through OMRS, an Australian applied and came across and is our head of nephrology now within the Ministry of Health and also in Fiji. So we have the presence here both in Suva and also in Lautoka. We have the capacity to actually look after 40 Fijians in Suva at the moment. There is also a capacity to increase the dialysis to 180 sessions a week. Honorable Speaker, the fact that they are offering this nephrology service and actually providing advice around it is the opportunity to also rescue Fijians from not having dialysis so that they can be able to have treatment, prevent them from having dialysis. And that is also one of the important things that the Fiji National Kidney Center will be able to provide. We are also now looking at being able to look at other means to be able to provide this service outside of Suva for chronic dialysis. I thank you, Honorable Speaker.